So as it be like this now, just sharp to everyone carry on today, on top the whole level. And before we even carry matter enter inside different talk and plenty things, I just hope say everybody one way or the other, like we talk like on Monday. If you know say you never do some right things from like January go reach June, I beg you still get from July go reach December to make the right decisions. Many times now the second half of football match now they determine
how the scores go.
The scores will be okay. So for you, if you never to make some kind of right decisions, you still get opportunity. I mean to make the whole thing correct for you, so that by the end of the year everybody will get better gist to talk. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, now time for the cocoa of the day. All right, cocoa number one. Bang! All right, so my first gist tonight. It just like the one we talked yesterday, about still all this wiping matter.
Okay.
But for this particular gist with it for my hand, okay. Sometimes things where you take your life do it. Sometimes you know say it form some other things about you for future.
Okay.
For example, if you person where they joke anyhow about everything and anything, people around you feel they laugh on a good day. For we they do comedy, for example, they always know where to match the line. You understand where to to differentiate between where play don't reach
and when
seriousness enter. You understand? Now, for some people like I talked earlier, you feel they laugh like joke with everything. When time for serious thing, you can't reach. And you can't try form serious, people know can't take you serious. So now the after effects of the play where they always play, you understand? So many times, certain things that what would they do on a regular, they form people mindset about us. You understand? And when you can't do the right thing, people can't use that time take judge your personality and all that. Now for this guy now, he be doing one relationship like that. For that relationship, him and the babe we get, then they like all this kind wiping way, they flog themselves koboko, torture. You understand? They use some kind of things, they will put nail, they will put pin, different things. They shook themselves, carry candle wax, they pour on top each other just for the excitement of the wipe where they want wipe. Okay. You understand? So, but somehow for the whole, for enjoying for life, along the line, they can't go accuse the guy of rape. Say go by first torchlight one babe website. Say, okay, look, you're not supposed to do them. They can't say, okay, they'll carry the guy go jail. But many things can't they go on. They can't say, court case here and there. They can't clear the guy of the charges. Now, so after the whole level, they say the guy even spent like 14 months, for jail. Behind bars before they can't clear the whole thing. So now the court say, okay, now based on the accusation leveled against you, we know say they don't come out you for the whole matter, but because you get one kind of history for your wiping history, based on who you be, we know you say you did. Okay, you do normal. You all now abnormal things, Now they can say, from now on, any wipe where you want wipe, you must tell us 24 hours before your wipe here. And the guy verse, he cut rope. He said, now there he could die. He say, I want to do it quickie. I want to do the sharp this.
We come free.
Otherwise, you no plan for road along the line. You just enter, you go come out, clean mouth like say nothing. Say how? So I called the informant before that time. He say no. So right now, he won't go on hunger strike. I don't know which one was.
I don't understand.
When I had the hunger strike, about the phone call where they was me the call before. How many people really plan for wipe like that? Really?
We not be your, except if you get one particular woman, we just know say yes.
Yeah, even the woman said they plan on a timetable.
Sometimes if people tell you, okay, I not do. And you don't call police yesterday.
So you call police. So police say, well, are they call and they think and the reason thing. After you call the police, all they come surround the house. they call gun. Because okay, you Sergeant Rufus, pass that side. Use this for that side. Maybe we see what I go do the normal one. So the follow up then I say what I go do the normal thing. I be told they go bust bottle. Tell you waiting, I know really get the understanding of the but anyhow the guy saying go on hunger strike to protest against this one. Say this is bullshit. I censor that part. It's bullshit. Bullshit. You understand? Say, so now heavy mess up for inside. Say, as how? Eh? I just think you don't look the lawyer. They say, I don't. See, make you look on our own self. It's making a call the report to police station before I go wipe. No, go like that kind of rubbish. No. So, but last, now in past, now catch up with them. Yeah, I knew how I want to look at. That's all kind of things. But it's a personal thing. I mean, you know. But there's no being do that rape. This thing will happen that year. Yeah, so they say, so you say, they use that into the say no being do it in the accuse them of. Even though you spend 14 months for jail, but not being teen, not be matter no concern them. All right. But anyway, for those of us now who know this kind of biggie, please, right now, before they come accuse you of one thing for the future, be careful, cause your today will affect tomorrow. You know get how. All right. So we feel take and take laugh these kind of things, but the one down now, wow, come say, Juliet, how far now? In 24 hours, we'll go do. Now, can say, you don't call police.
Or when you don't call police, you don't ask them. Without going to say, you see, I'm sorry, something just came up. I can't
all the policemen don't surround. Come on, they say, guy, how far now? With the wait, now one now start action. No, they do anyhow. So how far? Because say, but police, as it be like this now, the guy say, because where police shout, oh, but you not be man, you don't mess up. What's be all this one? Don't waste our fuel for nothing. You can't give us change for fuel. Fuel money in the case. What do you just drive, come from office, come here, for you to come cancel on the whole thing? You get cut for us. Anyway, we just do things right, okay? Because they're very, very important. Say, we do the things right because future levels. All right, so Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the koko.
Okay, now, you know, for this prostitutes matter, you say they don't they package them now. Even some girls don't know say they're prostitutes. Some don't know. Some they in denial. They don't really know say now shower worker they do.
They don't they go road.
because then they stand for junction or they know they want hotel where the men they come.
Contract there.
But really,
they ping you. They
some things say they relationship. Meanwhile, the guy not they any relationship. But for your mind now, you dey go house, take. Once that take don't enter,
job well done.
There's an exchange. Now be job well done. You know, for every time they pay you a money or give you because these days they say I only take transport fare.
I don't demand, you know.
You know, until they give you house money to build house before you go fix it, they pay you for your work. You understand? So some guys don't even know say they do the. Not until you get complimentary card and get website before they tell you say in a shower work it just starts. So, but now some say na sugar daddy moves. You get one estate where they stay before. I don't mention the estate. Every Saturday morning, if you see as girls they come out for different men their house, young girls. So hey, come on. I want what's but really. They pay me for so many young girls these days. They pay me. They pay me for many young girls these days. Just like they don't plan, say, see, for this life, I'm not ready to work. Where the next sugar daddy will come take care of my life and my destiny.
Collect another person's sugar daddy.
So this gist now, some girls now, they can't take to say Instagram now. That everybody they show their fake life.
Call you out.
The one way you not do, you post their person motto, you just walk out past one eatery, we're fine. Some go take the picture, upload, you know, eating things. Meanwhile, you know, buy shingbang for the. Now, all these ones for Chinese girls, so they can't go put money where they make from their sugar daddies on top Instagram. Can't see people come comment say, wow, they wish they can live this life. To tell you the truth, really, please don't sell your soul for porridge. Please. Because like people like this now, for porridge. These days, no be porridge again. No be porridge again. These days, now money they take the exchange things. $67,000. Easy bit. That is money. $67,000. Now the money be that. Sugar babies. Voila. You know, and hey, now one of the wrong girls be this. You know.
I go just talk.
One of the wrong girls, but says she's making serious money from sugar daddyism. But really, my pain for this whole thing is say, now some people future wife be this.
That ain't be the problem. See, after now, that future, then they chopped so.
No, really, because
And
some
the
we all
future they chop, so.
they go chop all the full pot. Full pot. Some men now, they marry bottom pot.
Bottom pot.
That's how where they born.
Leftover.
Oh, leftover. Because why? Different peaceful personality and everything have entered the system. They've turned the ecosystem. Useless is well. Do everything, and do everything. Last, now one man now they one place now where they're doing, you know. That makes some sisters when they all reveal every. Let's see your lies. You know, the light. Eh? But you can't sing gravity. Eh? So please, ladies, young ladies, please keep yourself. Keep yourself, especially for the future. I beg. So that future day. Biko, I beg. Sugar daddyism is not the way. Not be the way. Hustle your own hustle. Make your own money. Your own pride go enter the whole thing. Okay? Some people will say, who also help? They help people. They help people. All right? So lastly, Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the koko.
All right, so this one is very, very good gist. Very, touching story. I'm sure I even know, even can take start.
Okay.
You know, this man and this woman don't marry for some years, but the woman no agree born. She not fit born. Don't say she not agree born. She not fit born. You know, and the pressure from that particular thing always cause different mental states for women, for some women. You understand? So out of pressure, the man can't marry a second wife. He married second wife now. Second wife now come born pikin. So the thing now the born boy, not be just say he born
full current.
So that means I think they play for your head. Say you will be first wife now. Second wife don't born boy. Meaning say the man now don't see her. You understand? So that means you not get the one where you want born now.
Nothing, no worry.
We go take over anything. Now, last, it just be like Abraham, Isaac, Abraham, Sarah, Isaac, and Ishmael just. Now, the second wife now can't keep picking one day. Out of jealousy, rage, and frustration, first wife pick the picking, carry and go backyard, bring out a knife, and cut the blockers.
Of baby.
Of baby, oh. He cut the blocks, come out for the picking. That's the future machine gun now with this boy for take the council territory.
Pikin can't do him.
Pikin will not do anything.
Even if he talk.
Now the pikin cry now. Now he come make neighbors then hear as they reach the place and they hold the woman for work. Say, wait till happen. She can't confess, say, see. Say they don't frustrate her for the house. Say pikin now don't grow now. That means now she no fit. But what pikin do?
Wait to you.
You understand? She dey vex for husband, say husband go marry second wife and all that. But really, what the pikin do? They say then try see whether they'll fit gum the things join, but gum in no work because they say the cells for the remaining parts
sleep.
It don't die. So they could not join the whole thing anymore. You know? Wow. This life. That boy now.
Roja is dead.
He go grow up now.
Roja is dead.
Enough. Until you are wicked. This is not fair. How? No, now.
The boy goes, I woke up like this.
It's not fair.
I woke up like this.
I woke up, yes. Now be the case now. That means if the boy they grow now, they look and say, am I a woman? Because nothing
to tell.
Only just bush with your day. It's not fair.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.